At the end of this video, I'll show how to create these keyboard shortcuts for Premiere Pro. Now let's say we want to zoom into this program monitor. So for that, we have to go to this window and then select the amount of zoom we need. For example, like I'll go for 25. And if it's not enough, we have to go to another value. And then if it's too large, then we have to go to another value. Instead of that, we can assign this zoom in and zoom out to two keys in the keyboard, which we are not using very often. I have assigned this zoom in and zoom out to these two keys. So in this way, I can just easily get the amount of zoom I need in the program monitor. If you want to maximize any of these windows, we can use this key to maximize this window and see a full preview of this window. So we can use all the screen to see this window only, and then we can press it again. We'll go back to the previous layout. When we're changing any value like this using these toggles, we can use Control and Shift to increase or decrease these values. For example, if I just usually use this, then I can just move my mouse and then move it to a different value I need. But if I want to move it a bit faster, I can press Shift and then use. As you can see, it moves a bit faster than earlier. If I use Control, it moves very slow, so that I have to use my mouse like that. Now whenever we want a duplicate of a video clip in the timeline, we can press an Alt and then drag it up or somewhere else to get a duplicate of the same video clip as a separate clip. Now let's say we want to play back our video fast, like we select 1.5 or 2x for a video. With the source monitor, we can press L to start playing back, and we can press L back again to play back a bit faster, and then press L again to play back faster and faster. Let's say you're done with the edit, so you want to check the edit a bit faster, so you can just press L and view the video in fast motion. If you want to create keyboard shortcuts, you have to go to Edit and then select Keyboard Shortcuts. You can press any key and see the functions of those keys here. And then if you want to add some feature to a key, let's say for example for C, I have assigned this ripple delete. So I'm going to delete this effect from here, and then I'm going to search for ripple delete, and then I can select this key and then drag and drop this into this command, and here we have ripple delete on our C key. So in this way, you can create any keyboard shortcuts you want, and also you can save them as a different presets. As you can see, you can use this Premiere Pro default preset and then create another custom preset. So in this way, you can have your own keyboard preset. After we're done with these changes, we can click OK. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and